Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here. But even if you have a different year, the same generation video may be helpful. First, we're going to start by the fuse. We'll start in the fuse box that's located under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator fan. When you open it, you'll face it that way, guys. You have the relays, fuses here. So let's explain, okay, which one you need to check. But before we do that, let us tell you why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. You can see, guys, you have different fuses, right? Different relays. Those could be really expensive at a parts store, so we decided to put a link in the description of the video below and show you where we get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The first fuse that we will need to check, guys, will be fuse number 67. If you come in that fuse row right here, we're going to count. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 20 amp fuse is for the trailer tow control module right here, one of them. Then you guys have one more, which is fuse 73. If you come from the right to left in those square fuses, 1, 2, that 20 amp fuse right here is the one that you will need to check, guys, right there. That's another one. Then we need to go inside your F-150. You have another fuse box on the passenger side in the footwell by the kick panel, right under, guys, okay, right under the glove box. So let's explain which fuse you need to check here specifically. We're going to start on the very left row. That's how we're going to face the fuses once you open it. And we need to find fuse number 13. Even if you have a missing one, you count the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That 15 amp fuse here. And 14, that's another fuse. 13 and 14, these two fuses need to be checked. If you come from the bottom, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fuse from the bottom on the left side. Then we need to check one more fuse, and that fuse, guys, will be known as fuse number 40. That 40 fuse will be, okay, let us show you now. It will be this one. 40 will be right here, that first row, right, excuse me, the fourth row from left to right, or the first from right to left. That first fuse right here, that 10 amp fuse, that's for the trailer tow control module as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.